Hi guys, I'm Nidhi Sugma. I'm from Kerala. I'm a design aspirant and I have completed my 12th. I'm really interested in this fashion designing field and I'm more curious as well. My interests are sketching, doing embroidery work, stitching, and this makes me happy. Sometimes when I see a dress, I feel like redesigning it into a unique way. I have designed an Indo-Western outfit which is basically an upcycled version of my mom's old saree. Before coming up with the final design, I first started with the brainstorming and I did several sketches. After that, I took the measurement and started the stitching. While brainstorming, I thought about the dress material and I decided to add pleats to my design to prevent more harm to the fabric and to make it more fashionable. I also made sure to design it in a simple way. And this dress is a wrapping dress and which consists of two pieces, wrapping part and the belt.